Hi, grade 7, how are you? This is project number 2, our second project. This project will be fun and we're going to learn a few new things in this. So first we are going to, of course, open Scratch program. As we learned before, insert two characters, a cat and a dog. Change the stage background, and we are going to make these new steps. The cat moves toward the dog, both of them facing different directions. And I will remind you how to do this. Make the cat play the sound, okay, when it hits the dog, and move 200 steps backward, okay. Make the dog change costumes and thinks, is that a cat? How to do this using Scratch? We are going to use two new concepts, okay. First, we are going to use repeat, but with a condition. Repeat until something happens, then the character will stop repeating. The second thing, we are going to use a if statement, which is a very popular concept in programming. We are going to learn it in a simple way in Scratch program, okay. First we are going to insert another character. Here's part 1, which is a cat. We are going to insert a dog from here, okay, dog. We are going to change their sizes, and we are going to make the dog face the other way, okay. How to do this? First, we are going to change the size of sprite 1. Select, as you can see in here, and make it smaller, okay. And the other custom, also make it smaller. Don't forget to do this, okay. As you can see in here, try to make both of them with the same size, okay. Try. The dog, we are going to use the first custom and the third custom. This one we are not going to use, not important. We want the thinking custom, okay. Then we are going to make them face the other way, and also we are going to change their size a little bit, okay, like this. And the other custom like this, okay. They are similar, okay. Now we are going also to change the background. We are going to use, for example, the city, colorful city, okay, as you can see in here, okay. So here's the cat and the dog. Now we are going first to put the code in here. We are going to program the sprite 1, okay. First, before doing this, you have to know something very important in Scratch. In here, in Scratch program, the stage is divided into two things, okay. X-axis and Y-axis, okay. In X-axis and Y-axis, as you can see in here, this part of the X-axis is negative, and this part in here from X-axis is positive, okay. And this part from Y-axis is positive, and this part from Y-axis is negative. So when we want the character to move toward the negative part of X-axis, we make it move by minus, for example, 100. If we want the character to move this side, the positive side of X-axis, we make it move with positive 100, as you can see, okay. So now let's try. First, we are going to make event when space key pressed, okay. We are going to make a control, move the character forever. I want it to move forever until I stop it from here, okay. Then I want it to move 10 steps, okay. And I want it also to wait, okay, 0.5 seconds between changing customs. I will change custom from here, okay. I want it to move 110 steps and wait 0.5 seconds and change to the next custom. Now it will move until it hits the dog. I want something happen when the cat hits the dog. How to do this? From control, if statement. We are going to use if statement as I told you before. The character will move and change customs until it hits the dog. How to do this? Using sensing, touching the dog. Okay, if it will do these steps, if the cat touches the dog, what will happen? Okay, first it will play the sound, this sound. Okay, then it will move in a different direction, change x by minus 200. Whatever the x is, change it by minus 100. Okay? Okay, minus 200, sorry. This is what we do. This is the program that we will do in the cat. What we will do in the dog? It's simpler, okay? First, we are going to use the same event when space key pressed, okay? We are going to make two steps. We are going to change customs, next customs, and think, is that a cat? For 2 seconds, okay? And I want these two steps to keep running until the cat hits the dog, then they will stop. How to do this? From control, repeat until. From here, repeat until. From sensing also, touching, sprite 1. Okay, so each of them will do something until they hit each other. Okay, the dog will stop and the cat will do something else. Okay, so now let's try it and see what will happen. Okay, click on the space key. The dog will change customs and think about, is that a cat? And the cat will keep moving and moving until they hit each other. As you can see in here, the cat will say meow and the dog will keep doing this as long as the cat is moving. Okay? As you can see in here, this is how to do this. Okay? And now try it at home. Thank you so much for listening and see you the next video.